Welcome to Replay Lifeforms channel. Today we are going to see the features and full operation of MI Robot Vacuum-Mop P. MI Robot comes with latest quad-core process and dual-core GPU to process all scanned 3D data. It is also loaded with dozens of sensors to make it autonomous and efficient robot. MI Robot has only two buttons, power and home. After power on, holding both home and power button simultaneously for 3 seconds to connect on Wi-Fi. Home button to auto dock and also for factory reset by press and holding. Power button to initiate cleaning. Also hold it for 3 seconds to power on or off. Small brush with blade to clean dust compartments, and also blade can be used to remove tangled hairs. The 2-in-1 dust compartment had a rubber lid to fill water. Don't rinse or soak 2-in-1 dust compartment with water to avoid damage on sensors.
2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank has been installed.
You need to install Xiaomi's Home app from Play Store or App Store for complete control of robot. Once installed, follow the instructions and log in with credentials. MI Robot will scan your home automatically, and later you can see complete map layout of your home. By tapping on 3 dots in right top corner, you can enter into settings. Cleaning history can be viewed. You can schedule the cleaning. Remember, it will clean only edges if vacuum along the edges function is turned on. Repeating the cleanup by selecting secondary cleanup. 2 types of dynamic cleaning path planning is available. S type for power efficiency, Y type for cleaning efficiency. A time lapse of both modes along with a map on bottom right corner. On or off volume of robot. Option to create a virtual wall or no clean zone. This will help in restricting the robot entry in selected region. You can create multiple maps with new docking spot. Control robot manually through the app. This will bypass all detection sensors, hence it is not advisable. You can rename the robot for voice command and network identity. Swiping from the bottom will give you options and modes for cleanup. Select the desired mode, vacuum or mop or both. While using mop, you can set water discharge level. Selected zone can be cleaned instead of entire home or room. If the battery level is very low or once the assigned cleanup task ends, robot will return to docking station and charge itself. It can resume task from breakpoint after automatic recharge. Thanks for watching.